Children, how are you all? Students, today we are going to study the further part of this chapter, environment. In our previous videos, we have studied the meaning of the word environment, and we have studied about the different components of environment and component of environment which is natural environment. We have done detailed study of this. Okay, about lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere we have done our study, and about ecosystem also. So children, today we will study about human made environment and human environment, okay, and interaction of human and with its environment and its impact. Okay, so you see in this picture now, so what you are able to see, there are buildings, there is buses, cars, vehicles, and there may be different kind of offices, new and old, many kind of buildings are there. So children, are they natural? Are they built by nature? Are they made by nature? Or are they made by human beings? They are built by human beings. Obviously, these things are created by human beings. These are made by human beings actually. Human beings make these buildings. Okay. So this is natural or human made environment? Obviously, it is human made environment. Okay. See one more video. In this you can see these things. There are chairs, table and windows and this room. These all the things, we use these all the things for our comfort, and these things are made by human beings. So this is also human made environment. Okay, let's see the definition now. So the term human made environment refer to the human made surroundings, those all the surroundings which are nearby us, which is created by, which is made by human beings. Okay, and human beings made this environment to live, to work, to educate, like schools are there for you children, and to fulfill their needs. Okay, so this is human made environment. Okay children, so this second component of environment we have done. Now this is human made environment. Now let's go to human environment. So in human environment, who come in human environment? So we individual, okay, and our family, our friends, our community, and you can see in this picture, so individual, family, community, our religion, and our education and economic condition, political situation, these all are the things, the part of a human environment. Okay, after that, in human environment we can see human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. It is 100% true actually. When we see it from history, so earlier time there was human beings, these are called early human. Okay, so these early humans, they had very simple needs of food and clothing. So they used to fulfill their requirements from their surrounding. Okay, and there was no much modification of the environment was necessary for them. So later on in the process of development, when we start to develop, so human learned new ways to use the surrounding, to use the environment. It learned new ways to change the environment. Okay, human beings started to grow the crops, various crops, started to settle the life. Okay, and started to domesticate the animals, started to tame the animals like goat, sheep, and buffaloes and some other animals. So after that, wheel also invented, vehicles were there. After that, started barter system and started the currency system. Okay, and later on in human civilization we can see, in the further classes children, you will study about industrial revolution. Human beings started to make industries and mass production started in these industries. Okay, transportation, it became very easy, information became very easy. Okay, so these all things became possible, and to make these all the things possible, it is required to do a lot of change in our surrounding, in our environment. So we have to do a lot with our environment, then these things become possible. Okay, And there is a question for you. Children, have you ever thought why you love eating a juicy watermelon in summer and hot roasted peanuts in winter? You know, because this all happen, these all things we like and we dislike because of our environment, because of weatheric and climatic conditions, okay, because of temperature. So simple thing it is, if our environment is good, then everything is good. If environment will not be good, then actually we are also the part of environment, na? So we will not be able to feel happy. We will not be able to enjoy the things which are in our surrounding, which are provided to us by the nature. So that is why we should keep our environment neat, clean and happy. So a perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Human must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. But actually nowadays human beings are not doing this. Okay, they have become greedy, and for their greed to earn a lot of money and to get a lot of materialistic things and to enjoy them, they are recklessly using this environment. Okay, so in this chapter, children, what we have studied the meaning of environment. We have done components of environment. So these are natural, human made and human environment. About ecosystem we have done study, and human modify environment to fulfill the needs. This is it. And the last is the most important concept that you should understand, that is, we should respect our environment. We should respect our natural environment and we should protect it. Okay, we should make a perfect balance, okay, necessary balance between the natural and human environment, so that we can live happily with it, because we are the part of environment. If we will destroy it, definitely we will be destroyed. Okay, so that is why we should protect our environment. We should take care for our environment. We should grow more and more trees, and our needs should be limited. Our needs should be limited, and we should take care for nature. Okay children, so thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.